I know I'm in a dark place. Need to find somewhere where it's like lights. I think I found the spot. I'm actually red. And today I have something like an X-Men opposite, and has this girl that's from X-Men. And these are like stuff that can move around. It has something that's really cool, but I don't know. My brother just gave it to me. And let me show you, since we're in the lights, so you can see more better. I think you open it from here. You think I don't have no shorts, so and I do. They're hearts. Okay. I'm trying to figure out how to open this thing. Oh. Well, got her out. Whoops. Wrapper. Trying to see if I can break her out of this thing. Rip it! Oh, ripped it. I ripped the piece off. Broke it off. Closer look. Here in the city, and the price of heat wave continues. I don't know if you guys can see her. I'm trying. More on our top stories in a moment, but first, you're on one. Clouds will gradually increase tonight, and there's a chance of a late shower or thunderstorm. Ooh, what's this? Hey, daughter, what are you doing? You're both naked. Sorry about that. She just dropped the camera. Get out of here. Okay, so this is a closer look of her. In a bag, something that could come off, which is how I broke it. But it could come off and come back on. Wow! Yeah, had a moment. Then I had to fart. Yeah, I farted again. More! Oh wow.